part 2 of Teespring. It's going to be a little bit more in-depth video, and I'm taking you behind the scenes to my Teespring account. Yes, you see my good old green screen here, right? I won't do this in every video, but some videos I will remind you to please subscribe. So if you watched a couple of my videos and have not subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you know when I'm coming out with new content for you guys. And remember to like, comment, and share to your network, because you never know who may need this information. So without further ado, let's get into this video. You guys can see this is teespring.com. You come, we talked a little bit about it in the first video, but you come here, you sign up for an account. It's very free and very simple. Okay, and as soon as you sign in with an account, it's going to tell you to start designing, right? That's the first thing it's going to tell you to do. With YouTube, I actually figured it out yesterday. I said it wrong in the last video. You need 4,000 subscribers and 4,000 viewing hours in order to get monetized, which will allow this YouTube shelf to get slapped onto your YouTube, and every time somebody visits your page and watches one of your videos, they may purchase something of yours. Okay, as you can see, people come on here all the time and make content. Who is this over here, guys? It says Just Voicing It Publications, right? Just Voicing It Publications, Just Voicing It Publications. This is somebody else. But I already have 3 collections up here, okay? The Home is Where My Dog Is collection, the Fur Mama collection, and the Every Voice and Mind Matter collection, which is part of my motto for my Just Voicing It Publications company. So guys, let me take you behind the scenes, okay? So you come in here, you're going to set up your account, right? The first thing you want to do is you want to, well, I believe it's going to send me back home here, but I will hope, yeah, it sends me to my dashboard. The first thing you want to do is go to your dashboard, because on your dashboard, over here on the side where you see it says guides and tips, where my little yellow circle is, it'll tell you what you can do to really brand your Teespring company, okay? So as you can see, promoting products is essential. You're going to have products on your Teespring. That's what a Teespring is. So to promote your products, you're going to need to go to many avenues, even paid advertisement. However, I always show you guys how to do free advertisement, right? And what is the first source of free advertisement? Facebook. Facebook is your first source because it's a large platform. Platform integrations, just like what I'm talking about. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, even your Snapchat, you might be able to integrate this store into your Snapchat. YouTube, TikTok, okay? Canva is free. The only thing that you will pay on Canva, if you really want to, the only thing that you will pay on Canva, to be honest with you, is to unlock the better features. Okay, there are a lot of great templates that are free. I'm talking about thousands of templates that are free. Okay, your analytics, as you guys can see, I have not even published my store yet. Okay, my store is unpublished, so there are no analytics for me. Okay, this is gonna read as 0 right now. I have not advertised any of my little collections that I put up there yet, because I'm trying to go in like a sequence order of things. Me, myself, and I did 3 different collections right now that they're not. It's not public yet, so you're not going to be able to see it until I actually start advertising and make my storefront on Teespring publish, and I'm going to show you the storefront and everything. But as you can see, I have an Every Voice and Mind Matter collection, which means that I have a full collection. I have t-shirts. I didn't do any hats, but I have t-shirts, I have tank tops, I have mugs. And guys, listen, when I tell you this comes in every color, boo, it come in every color. Like, you can come in here and order a hot pink mug with my little logo on it, okay, and a t-shirt, not hot pink, but maybe a red t-shirt, and you're good to go. Not only that, Like I said, I have 3 different ones. So I went and I took 3 different simple, very simple. You see how simple that design was, right? And I just put it on a bunch of products. Look at this hoodie, how cute it is. And you can get it in red. You can get it in blue. And you can get it in gray. And the cool thing I love is cross-selling. When you set up your cross-selling, you want to make sure everything, and I'm going to talk about that in a minute, it'll actually advertise your other listings and your other products right underneath a product that somebody may already be looking at. So they probably didn't even click on your whole storefront, which is going to take us to the storefront now. But they probably didn't even click on the storefront. They just looking at this sweater, but right below that sweater, it shows you other products. So look at all of these products that I have up here to sell. I have face masks, cell phone cases, pillows, throw pillows for your couch or your bed. You know, I even have baby clothes. Look at this. Home is where my dog is onesie. How cute is that? So as you guys can see, this is how simple you can come onto Teespring and do a collection. Now, Teespring even gives you a small little storefront. Like you can take this right here, right? You could copy it. You could go into Facebook. I'm just showing you guys how easy this is. You can go into Facebook, and mind you, my store is not public yet. I actually came onto Facebook, onto my personal Facebook page. I copied and pasted my store link on here, okay? And listen, just for preview purposes, right? Because I really didn't want to look at that. Oh my God, it has my logo, my store and everything. And I'm going to delete this really quickly because I don't want nobody to actually click on that link yet, right? But look how easy that is to advertise your store on Facebook. So you can do that with Twitter, Snapchat, anything that you could connect a link to, you can advertise your store. Then you go here to where it says store, okay, inside of your home dashboard. And then it's going to bring you to your dashboard store. Now, remember I told you about cross-selling, right? You want to make sure that you go in here and you want to make sure that this is always on. Because what the cross-selling does is that even if they're just looking at one item, it'll show all your other items on the bottom of that listing. You go into edit store, right? And over here on the side, as you can see now, your store is like in the edit mode. You can put your own header up there, right? So you can actually create a header and upload it up here as a logo, okay? And it'll be the whole header, or it will be a small little logo here. I have not done that because I didn't want to put my logo. I was fine with just the name. Then you could change your colors over here. Whatever color you want to make this, you could change it. And then if you go over here to where it says banner, which is where I have my Just Voicing It banner, you can add a banner image. Doesn't matter what it is, you can add it there. And then this is where your products go. Now, if you want your better products, right, featured up top, then that's where you would put a star here. Now, mind you, Teespring is not like your website or a Shopify where you can actually move items around on your site or your storefront. You can't do that with Teespring. That's the only downside to that, because of course, it's just a Teespring account e-commerce store. For it to be a Teespring and for it to be free, guys, free to start making money today, you can't beat that. So here you go with your simple part 2 behind the scenes of my Teespring store to show you how easy it is to start a Teespring with no money down, and you can start making money today, long as you're vigilant with that marketing and that advertising. So until the next video, have a great day.